Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things beacons. My name is Ivan, and today we're going to go over how to add an image to your email sign-up block. You may be familiar with our email sign-up block that allows you to easily collect email addresses from your audience members. Well, we recently added a new feature to this block that makes it even more visually appealing. Using this new feature is going to help you grab attention and stop the scroll so you can get even more emails to market. Here's how it works. In your link in bio page, you want to add an email block if you don't already have one. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and press add block and then email and SMS. Here, you're going to see right at the top where you can add an image. You can choose a size based on how you're customizing the rest of your block. The kind of image you want to add depends on how you're using the block. If you're collecting emails for a newsletter subscription, you might want to use a brand logo or a header from your newsletter design. If you're using this block as a lead magnet, you can use a cover image of the downloadable PDF. Don't forget to set up your automatic email so that when someone enters their email in this block, thanks to your eye-catching new image, they get an immediate welcome from you. You can also set it up so that they get a series of emails after that, promoting products in your store, upcoming events, or whatever else you have to share. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. Also, while you're at it, check out our other tools and apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, see you next time.